Abusianti free visa ho sensem ya na ewo social media aja GM media yenna media no so say yeso yehu bi ne dia beso metifo ene ahwefo ewo GM media aha ena authentic news ni na say Ghana ho sensem ni na etwago bomodin say obe subscribe wa channel like na busu ko ne guaja kakraka anti na media no so amehwe visa ho sensem na meko hu Chukudi. I think last week I'm going to say Chukudi abi piemu kuma say aba be di dwuma which is a year abusia na oyi esi epuwe mu de yin na nim say yesi month fufuro man April kra so ye me so me birthday month say ye ka say atasa na busuaku asisi sub chiefs ami hu say obi kasa anase wo gine ho mena but okopie mu okwa benya de odi ni birthday April ya first April mu oba bi no odi ni birthday na abusua birthday no wo se wo ne yakunafo enyanka na edie hwe video na eda ho no memo akwakohwe na watie mu nsem abusua o che emo ne enema de makunafo ene sebe efene se nyanka wo mu na ono mu celebrate Ghana police ekobo ban abusua na wo hwe nipa agitwi ni sra de akopi mu ho this tactics we are na nkofo yusu no de capture nyina etimi busa me ho se yete se Chukudi Igbo king ewo Ghana ha no no abeka se de binye no kure Igbo leader next na odaso di ahunyi no na we sisi sub chiefs na sub chiefs no prettier for Ghana traditional council no. Are you guys okay watching Chukudi na nkofo so monye sa na because he still offering who sub chief for Chukudi enti wo hene ene si sub chief a no so wonyo hene na still na odaso sub chiefs no ye ne dey.
First day of April 2026. What is going on in Ghana? What is going on? What is going on? I can see a lot of people here in the streets of Accra. I want to find out what is going on here. I was just passing by the street. I saw men and women gathering in a street near my neighborhood. I saw men and women gathering out with good things. You know, I keep wondering, what is going on? This is April. What is actually going on? So I want to find out exactly what is going on here because as you can see a lot of people seated. You see a lot of people carrying goods, a lot of people carrying a lot of things. Some are sitting down, some are, I don't know what is going on. I really want to find out what is going on here so that I can let you people know actually what is going on here. But I can see that this place is filled up. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? What is going on here? Wow. People are carrying rice, carrying gift item, carrying a lot of things. I don't know what is going on here. Everywhere is filled up. Wow. So in a short while, we are going to know exactly what is going on here. But first of all, you can see a lot of people seated. Oh, this one is even carrying his food and wow, that's wonderful. I am sensing that there is a giveaway going on. I'm sensing the giveaway going on. Yes, you can see our old mothers, you can see children, you can see a lot of people. This must be a giveaway. This is the house of one of the Eze in Domi Kwabenya constituency. One of the Igbo Eze. Let us see whether we can see this very Eze that is performing these wonders this first day of April 2026. Wow. This is amazing. My goodness. We can see everything is in order. We still have our police here that is making sure that there is orderliness and everybody is waiting. I just came in here now and I heard that since 6 o'clock in the morning, here has been filled up. Wow, my goodness. I can't believe what I'm seeing here. I can't believe what is going on here. My goodness. From what I've been told, this is the Eze of Domi Kwabenya Ashoman Estate constituency. Is an Igbo man, precisely from Anambra State, a businessman here in Ghana. And he enjoy helping the less privileged, the widows. You can see he gives them gifts, and also you can see them smiling. I am so excited to see what is going on today. I don't know what carried me to pass this street to see what is happening here. This is amazing. It's amazing. And I'm just informed that since 6 o'clock in the morning, everywhere filled up. I'm very, very, very excited. So let me ask one of my brothers here exactly what is going on. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, please, I was just passing by the street. I saw a lot of people outside carrying a lot of things. So what is going on here?
Today, we are celebrating the birthday of Alehieze.
Okay.
The two are celebrating their birthday
Okay.
by giving to the needy
Okay.
and the less privileged,
Okay.
and thanking God for a life well lived.
Okay.
This has been an annual event.
Okay.
Every year we do it like this.
How?
In the month of April,
Okay.
we do it like this.
Okay.
And the people can testify
Wow.
what they have seen.
Wow. So which categories of people do you give this?
These are for the less privileged,
Okay.
for the widows,
Okay.
the orphanages,
Okay.
the elderly,
Okay.
and we give thanks to our Eze,
Okay.
the Eze of Igbos in Domin Pukwasi,
Okay.
Rich.
Okay. Okay.
Who
Maybe.
has given us the mandate to organize this thing every year.
Okay. Okay. You can see men and women as you receive your gift, you will also receive your envelope. That is amazing. That is very, very amazing. Guys, I will still talk to the Eze and some of the people here who are helping him to do this job. I will still talk to them. But first of all, let us still watch the environment. Guys, I can't believe what is going on here. A lot of people on the road. Actually, I was going to Amasama. I saw a lot of people on the road. I said, what is going on here?
Okay, by the special grace of God, today the Eze of Ndibo,
Okay. Okay.
is having his birthday
Okay.
with one of the elders here. So, and we deem it fit
Okay.
to celebrate with the old people,
Okay.
like the widows and the old men and women.
Okay.
So we say no, they should come. Normally we do it every 4th month
Okay.
of every year.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So the Eze
Okay.
used to do it.
Okay.
And when the time comes,
Okay.
he will gather all the chiefs to come and help him.
Wow.
Yes.
That's amazing.
We start around 6 a.m.
Since 6 a.m.
Yes.
So this crowd has been coming and going since 6 a.m.
So you have to give them
Oh
time.
my
So
goodness.
that they will not be.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
This is amazing. Guys, I am overwhelmed. Now it's time for us to talk to the Eze himself, who have decided to cause this traffic in the street. So, good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir.
How are you, my brother?
I'm very, very fine. Can you tell us your name and tell us what is going on and tell us who is by your side and what is going on here?
Yeah, my name is Chief Tony Olasi.
Okay.
Yeah, so the person by my side is my wife.
Okay.
So what I am actually doing today is something that I have been doing all the time, every year.
Okay.
I find pleasure in celebrating my birthday with the widows,
Okay, the widows,
and the oldies.
Oh, the widows and the old people.
In the society.
Okay.
So to me, it gives me joy.
Wow.
Instead of staying at the beer parlor.
Okay, instead of staying at the beer parlor, you prefer. Okay.
I prefer to do this celebration with people here.
Okay.
All these people, they are my friends.
Oh, my goodness.
We always meet
Oh, my goodness.
every year.
Oh, my goodness.
Unfortunately, we lost 3.
Oh, my goodness.
This year.
The widows.
The widows and the oldies.
Wow.
But to God be the glory. May their soul rest in peace.
Oh, my
And
goodness.
so I encourage them to live good life
Okay.
and show love to one another.
Okay.
Because heaven is real.
Real.
This place we preach God and we believe in what God can do.
Okay.
Without God, we can't do nothing on our own. We cannot help ourselves.
Yes.
So to God be the glory for the strength and giving us the life to see this very day,
Wow.
month of April.
Wow.
Month of April, which
Wow.
is the month I was born.
Wow.
All glory back to God.
Wow. Guys, this is very, very amazing. This is very, very touching. Let us just hear greetings from our beautiful wife. Please, what do you have to say about what is going on here today, our lady?
I want to thank God for my husband's life. Like he said, he normally celebrates his birthday with the widows and the old days. So I thank God for his life. I thank God for how God is using him to touch the widows and the old people in our society. I thank God for what he's doing now. I also thank God for adding another year to his age. I thank God. Thank you so much.
Wow, guys, it's amazing. This is what they call love, genuine love. Instead of going to party or going to anywhere to celebrate his birthday, he decided to celebrate it with his own people, Ghanaians living around him. We should know that we will not live in this life forever. All we need to do is to show love, love one another, let love lead. That is what this message and what this event is all about. It's all about showing love to people who need it most. Remember, the beauty of life does not depend on how happy you are.
Awusia, Ghana how? Ghana had a course. Office hifa. Ghana had a course. Ghana haya. Chugudi. Ane na nkrofo. Chugudi nkrofo no. Rade. Onze Ghana fo siguso. Enti wo di say na obehuna community fo no. Asha ase adi ne ho adanse. Oh, a good man. Said the atasa de baaye. Yenya ohene bi mani free biri wampotem ho be ka kire say papa no wasi toilet ama communities. Papa no a good man na owale ne de hye kura. Awusua what is omu dey say no mo dey capture community afei na enkrofo mo nkrofo me enkrofo bone is it be problem am o go first sankofo we hom omu nkrofo mo echi no me nipa bone fo no efo mu din so o me ko ezi toni ho ne ne yere ho no wa betena Ghana ne wo di bone or a kidnapper a human trafficker you say no we see papa we su o di ne baby ya okay or ya the papa ntidi onu wakoje the papa funu be ka se man a good man nti otini din a police ni akobo ban wo ho a wo charge e mo bi de wo be se so oh a good man betena no apako baby atena you see immigration obonde oh a good man akopo baby atena because hu so wo ya doye ema akunafo ne njanka na kanya asam de yenka Nigeria ni Algerian o si wo di ne baby wo ne Ghana fo na edi na ontimi ko ni kurom ko celebrate ana obizo say na wo Ghana ni na wo kasa no sa nkrofo no mo mpiso no so munya bibi ni no wape bibi amona o government akope bibi amona nti Nigeria ni fi na ba ko didi ase di yenkoto chacha bi sei we si hene ma ye gituma wo hene no che ejapa o che nnuane ma nkrofo nti amanfo bo ohene ne nkrofo ho ban aposifo omanfo police ni no ya Ghana tax ni twa ne kan bo follow na ne nkrofo ho ban easy search videos wo obehwe obe comment wo nhye ne bi nkoka dofo afoforo nsa uwia wasa be blemi ana mote Ghana ho na monya ne hwe ana mote Ghana ho na monya ne hwe ebi ni o di the birthday ama Ghana police service kale so ne Ghana police service o Nigeria o ene ebo no ho ban ya je atum so o ye ken sub chief ezewo we ka eza enkrofo na o che miane enti we wasole chena se community wono person stand MP a de na chese we onya so stand wo sole o community wo so wo ye bibi boni wo community wa obetimi afa so edi ne boni or the papa kakra we wa ye bedi boni manipulators these people omo shake ni padwen eye ni oduru ho wa ite sa atasa eye yin wa ite ni oduru ho engagement ni oduru ho no be chawade no be esi ofa de chede ne so no dia capture mo ofa de chede no capture mpani for no so no wonder people are saying say enkofo use sika ade chede bi e dia ye juju etie ye mpani for no because we are sitting down watching them, laughing with them, eating with them, dying with them as if these people are innocent. Look at their own country killing people are dying, people are crying. People are crying because of food, money. Why can't you go to Igbo land and enjoy, celebrate this your birthday? Now we on call for no by choosing Ghana or Ghana and what they are told us say me Ghana and Ghana for need me your party mama for Ghana for need. They tell you I'm not going to say in any spiritual implication. I say and the end we are living normal life, so we can normal sem. Yanka normal sem and the normal so the Bible say watchna say akwa we di bonne was ye che ne kwa na on ba be ka kire ye say akwa we papa because of community no. se wochina so se oye bibon e beka so bo community no me se yete kuro na chuku didi o beka kire se obo community so yenya no onye hwe bibon bi anto yete kuro ha atasa kwahye mfigiri ababegino ho barrister wa ene nimuntu chimifo be ma kwase ampenity se destiny omumi na jimisem ene Nigeria ni ba Igbo ni ba bi jimi bi abetena online ka kire se Ghana Police Service CID akoye investigation kire se chuku di ehu ni asem no ye Igbo community or ye Igbo chiefa oda no a I mean ya to aba diaspora ne Ghana to aba edi ejino Igbo for more diaspora ne Ghana ha to aba di ejino say ampo represent Ghana Accra na boni bie ni ho yete kurom ha ye be kasa fa ho say ampa papa ne se bibie ni ho nti muhu ye no na wosenka moka nanso ye tena ha deep ni bi atem ekeka nkwase asem kire Ghana Police Service anka be kye yen but ye mbedi atem ye ka kire mo say papa de letter bi ababontin ye check in tag the credit was logo credit so no kra na nye police for logo yakọ police for platform nyina so and bibie ni wo ekire say ampa omo no investigation ne beto abontin say this man is innocent till now obi anka hwe till now ye nchi obi a till now ye nchi obi a till now ye nka hwe mfa the man is working free ebuzia mi bawo man will feel free man will feel free obi ankoche no obi ankoche no obi invite no moving around. I'll bring you a breakdown of Black Rasta. Comment to make it about South Africa for any atasa chukudi nene nsema odi no Ghana se fake booking. Or the false allegations about the false information about the false letter about abontin. False we na debata one thing. But yenchino someone find me yenchino as at now or enjoy Ochidam po Kwame Basaya doma 25th of April ye ko 17th my birthday ba 17th ye diwi ya boabo ye ho ye kwakopi mu nkan bompuni man jeni mu ai by 20th de me do Accra kwa boabo am ho e de atwen omo maka nyina enso to ewiabo epia tisiu ye beko obia nhia concern youth alliance ene Ghana fo nyina obia nhia ye nyina obia enjaye obia enjaye awakra enka bombuni mantem no na ye for demonstration ye fa hyehye so na efiru ntu a kremo ebetu se ye tie mam na ye de ye ho na sebe edan kra wo kwaje se de ma Nigeria ni ye tie mam na Ghana ni ekwaje passport a wo bre na Nigeria ni timiti no krom process no wa ba afro wa ba beje wa ba beje passport no e wo Ghana ateni kuma process you no beje passport no Ghana na wo na wo ye kromani no wo ye timamuni no o pe passport a be bre eno ne ye se bra ne ye nko immigration na da ho na da ho te sesebi oba dwamanfo a obi ene ne kwakode bia wontwia ka obi ekowobi sa na Ghana border na ye immigration for no ye nim order from above e ba nti kofu aso mo ho begu krum ha no ye serew ebre no so a omoden bra ne ye nyina yenko kan ya asem mfa nkere empanifo no na yeduru ho na se wo asem bia obetimi aka yeduru ho. It is what it is. A high jam media, but more than subscribe channel like and able to kunyonya kakraka. Ma min fawo mfansi anum say ya men to aso an mfansi haya na wo mai wadwin say sankofo do mai wadwin say Ghana enom betena. Omo anka so mukrum ni na mi bisa me wo say eya na Igbo no ade o wankasa ku no muntimi nkwaji ahini wo so and develop ya na because they are saying say they are developing Ghana for us ade no nkwaji o mu amkrom ho ba bia asase de bi mfanya kingdom no wankasa ntena even wankasa mu asase so even Nigeria no kwa mu country no kwa no so free Igbo ekwa Anambra state to say if any say Lagos state to say himfa state ufi wo so kwa kodi hini wo kwa ebebu niama apamu kura no asefo nyina wa hwekwa ebe hyemo but yet these people want to develop a friend say a kingdom in another man's land. Look at South Africa, the AC. Look at Ghana. Is a baby could be na minimum. I said, Omoti kingdom no man she be. Omoti kingdom no man be. You want to build a kingdom, you want to be a kingdom, you want to be a kingdom, you want to be our kingdom. Just in some Musa meeting. Or do you know I want to say? Me say, in the fifth name, I could pim. Now I cry. Na yensu for demonstration and fancy so and farmer. Mpenifo no mu hu se yeni abre abusua amfo nsia se opese o donate mo support everything o support promo demonstration na wo hwe flyer no so amomo number e wo so o send ya concern youth alliance nsabeka na omode aboa demonstration ye say nye ba akofo nsa na bitima kata nyankopon nti obi a emwa se untimi wa abochi na untimi mbabi na paso o support omunyi ntonso omunyi se ya obomoden e de fa e friend say momo number na e wo flyer no so a concern youth alliance for nsabeka na bibia etima eboko it is what it is aha na mnu bisi aha ejami media share your thought with me on the comment section you be share it is what it is ko GH League Nestana rapini channel no so YouTube GH League ko subscribe na share na like na drop a comment every video go drop no so e dey adwuma pa e dey boa oman konkro Ghana bomoden so be subscribe dey amano GH League na bibia ntwe boko mitio bibia mama Sylvia mama Rosemond next time I'm Chiao Samson I'm Chia Sister Bridget I greet you Sister Bridget how are you Mama Linda Michelle Mama ya Michelle mudoso because me body na me nko na obi akobi Papa Frank Michelle nyina Papa Joe Blue I greet you Papa Kingsley Michelle nyina mpedifo me no se wa fem dodo jeho yemko ba bia Papa Emmanuel Papa Iba Michelle ngache mama ntonka mama ntonka Mama Dina nso Michelle omudoso kasa Michelle biso me nko obi a mentima nchi wambodi anchi ya mesrafa chame Michelle nyina ni se obi ahoye Nankopon share mu nyina obi o support Jami Media comment like mo share mo frɛ everything support every angle Twede ampo kwame basi yadom on hyira mo odo bibiase bye bye